everyone, and welcome back to Whitby Public Library's virtual Family Maker Lab. My name is Nicole, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own thermometer right from your home. This project is really fun and it's really easy to do, so let's get started. For this project, you will need to grab some household materials. You will need a glass jar or a mason jar with a hole in the top, a clear plastic straw, just like this one. You're going to need a quarter cup of water, a tablespoon of any kind of cooking oil, it doesn't matter which kind, some Play-Doh or some molding clay, food coloring, and some rubbing alcohol. I suggest that if you're doing this project, you always have an adult with you, and to make sure that when you're putting the food coloring into the jar, that maybe you use like a yucky color, because this liquid is very toxic and should not be consumed in any way. Okay, so we're going to get started. Also, if you don't have a glass jar that already has a straw that comes with it, or it doesn't have a hole in the top, you can always ask an adult to drill a hole in the top if you have a drill. So we're going to start by mixing our ingredients together. So you'll open your jar, just like that. And then you're going to pour in your water, quarter cup, and you're gonna also need a quarter cup of rubbing alcohol. And here is our cooking oil. Just 1 tablespoon is all you need. And then we're going to put in our food coloring. Just a couple of drops. And then I'm going to take my spoon and I'm just going to stir all of that together. And then you're going to take your clear plastic straw and you're going to stick it in the jar. You'll stick it through the hole first, and then you'll screw on the top. Make sure that your straw is in there. So that's what that looks like right now. And then you're going to take your Play-Doh. I'm just going to open that up. You don't need too much. And you're going to take your Play-Doh. You'll straighten out your straw. And then you're going to just wrap it around the straw. Just like that. This is supposed to keep the straw in place, and it should be about, the straw should be about 2 inches from the bottom of the jar. Okay, so you're just gonna make sure that that stays in place, just like so. And this is what your thermometer should look like so far. So now is the part where you're gonna have to wait a little bit for the results. To see the temperature change, you can either stick your jar outside if it's cold or if it's warm enough, or you can put it in your fridge or freezer for, I don't know, half an hour to an hour or so. And then when you take it out, you'll see the difference in how the liquid rises in the straw at different temperatures. So it's the rubbing alcohol that is the agent for allowing the liquid to rise because it has a very low freezing point. So this is what's in a regular thermometer. When you come back, you can now look at the difference in the temperature by looking at your straw and whether or not the liquid has risen or it has lowered in your straw. If you have a real thermometer at home, you can use that to make a scale of your own, and you can mark that just on your straw if you'd like. And that's it. You've now made your very own homemade thermometer. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you all enjoyed making this project. Make sure that you tag us on social media using the hashtag Doorway to Discovery and share your creations because we would love to see them. Also, make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel so that you never miss out on any of our great online programming. Thank you again, everyone, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!